Hi guys, Tanya's here, and today I'm going to teach you this phrasal verb to put up with something or someone. So I'm going to give you some examples first, and you try to think and guess the meaning. Listen carefully. He is so rude, but I can't do anything about it because he's my boss, so I have to put up with him. I cannot put up with your constant whining any longer. I'm not going to put up with your smoking anymore. So, if I say that I put up with something, does it mean that I like it? No. Do I accept it? Yes. So, to put up with something or someone means to accept an unpleasant situation or person without complaining.
Grandpa Rick wouldn't put up with this.
That's your lesson for today, guys. Now tell me, do you have to put up with anyone or anything? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.